Hello! Welcome to my channel. I'll do my skincare routine. Pag heavy ang makeup, di naman ganun ka-heavy yung makeup, pero kailangan lang ng refresher ang skin. Also, I'll be talking about my experience in SLU Medtech. So first, we'll remove our makeup using Clinique Makeup Remover. First question, what is Medtech? So, Medtech is we perform diagnostic tests to blood and other body fluids in a clinical laboratory. So, tayong nagpo-process ng ihe, ng tae, nagko-culture ng bacteria, nagma-microscope kung anong meron sa dugo, tsaka nagba-blood chem. Blood chem, checking your blood count, platelets, white blood cells. Tapos, kailangan yung tulong natin to read the results ng doctors para doctors ang accurate na magda-diagnose sa ating mga patients. Next step is we're gonna wash our face with Acne's Mentholatum Creamy Wash. So, I'll just wash my face and I'll be back. Next question, how is Medtech in SLU? So, nagto-top siya sa boards. Kaya, ang expectations sa students ay mataas. Challenging an atmosphere. So, there are high standards. Pero overall, fun naman siya. Depende lang kung sinong teachers ang makukuha nyo. So, mabait ba ang teachers? Depende kung sino. Merong mga stricto, merong mga fun, especially sa minor subjects. Sila ang mga more fun ng teachers. Pero sa mga major subjects, sila yung medyo hindi friendly. Pero, mabait naman. May terror. Parang other schools, pero mabait naman sila. Ano ang ranking ng subjects based on difficulty? This is based on my experience and based din sa teachers na I get. So, ang rank 1 ko is hematology. Hematology has yung complete blood count, tuturuan kayo magbilang ng red blood cells, ng white blood cells. Yun din dapat yung magaling ka sa microscopy. Dapat mabilis ka magbilang. And alam mo yung distinctions ng red blood cell sa different mediums, kung stain ba siya o hindi. Tsaka sa platelets din. Hematology 1 and Hematology 2. Number 2 hardest subject is cytogenetics. Online ko siyang kinuha at wala akong naintindihan. Yun ang disadvantage ng nag-online ng college. 3 is immunohematology or blood banking. 4 is our ANAPHY, anatomy and physiology, histology, and histopathology. It's dealing with tissues, yung histology and histopathology. We're dealing with tissues, and ang activities namin before is mag-round robin with microscopes, tapos ang dami mong kailangan i-memorize sa tissues. 5 is biochemistry, dahil online din, hindi ko naintindihan. Madalas ang SLU Medtech na hindi lang sa tinuturo makukuha ang answers. And dapat hindi ka nakabase lang sa teachers. Dapat win-widen yung readings mo with the reference textbooks and other textbooks na naiintindihan mo. Or pwede yung mga medical technology review books for boards. Pwede ka din magbasa doon. Next is qualitative and quantitative chemistry. Yun, may computations kaya mahirap. Meron yung molality and molarity. Mahirap siya. Next is inorganic and organic chemistry. Next is clinical bacteriology. Madaming bacteria. Pare-parehas ang itsura sa microscope. Next is immunology and serology. Last for me is analysis of urine and body fluids. Fun siya for me dahil ito yung hindi ko na-expect sa Medtech. Akala ko urine, poop, and blood lang ang pinaprocess. Pero meron din amniotic fluid, synovial fluid, and aralin mo din kung anong makuha nilang sakit, kung anong sakit doon, aralin mo din yung normal values. Next question, what are the skills you need as a medical technologist? Number 1 is microscopy. Ang kailangan alam mo kung paano i-troubleshoot, kailangan alam mo magbasa, kailangan alam mo mag-identify ng tissues. Overall, dapat mabilis ka mag-focus ng microscope. Next is pipetting. Meron tayong mga pipettes that are used to transfer accurate volumes of liquids to one container to another. So, kailangan marunong ka mag-pipette. I'll show pictures here. Kailangan marunong ka mag-pipette. Kailangan accurate and you know how to control your finger para accurate ang lalabas na ma-aspirate na fluid. Pero mas madali naman ang automatic pipette. Venipuncture is essentially getting blood sa ating veins. Kailangan alam mo kung gaano ka-deep, kailangan alam mo kung saan ka tutusok, at alam mo dapat mag-troubleshoot in case may nangyari sa pasyente. So that's called patient care. Counting cells, that's included sa microscopy. Kailangan mabilis ka mag-count, kailangan alam mo kung anong kinakount mo, especially sa red blood cells and platelets. Makikita nyo dito gano'n sila kaliit at yun dapat yung bibilangin nyo. Let's see it up. Next, we'll put our chocolate and milk mask. So now na we're waiting for the mask, another question is, paano ang buhay ng irregular student? So I was irregular because I shifted from biology to medtech in my first year, second sem. Kaya may mga subjects akong hinahabol from the first year, first sem na hindi ko na-take as medical technologist. Kaya irregular ako ever since first year. And how is it being irregular? May mga subjects kang iti-take ng first year as a second year dahil sa mga prerequisites niya. So hindi ka magiging full block or regular na student unless mag-underload ka or i-prioritize mo muna yung mga prerequisites. So, madaming blocks, madami kang makakasalamuha, and madami kang mamimit na friends from other blocks, and madami kang magiging groups, madami kang free time. So, mamaya yung ibang classmates mo na may next subject, ikaw wala. So, minsan uwi ka na lang, mag-review, or minsan mag-rest. So, malungkot lang maging irregular. Kasi syempre delayed ka, nauuna yung blocks, nauuna yung year mo dapat na mag-graduate or mag-internship, pero hindi. So, yeah. Next is advice for freshmen or yung mga planong mag-medtech sa SLU. Number 1 is always read your reference textbooks or always read other books dahil doon talaga mag-widen yung knowledge mo. Huwag ka lang mag-base sa modules lang or sa teachers lang kung anong naririnig mo sa kanila. Kailangan magbasa ka din. Always review your notes or always fix your notes dahil hindi mo alam kung kailan sila magpapaquiz, hindi mo din alam kung kailan magsasabay ang quizzes sa isang araw. Next is keep a database of all your notes kasi kailangan mo yun for internship. Next is befriend the right people. Dapat ang kasama mo yung mga ipupush ka mag-review and to do well in school. Next is very important. Make sure to try all the tasks pag group work. Hindi yung kung wari may testing of the fluids, may spectrophotometry, may venipuncture. Kailangan alam mo gawin lahat yan. Hindi yung sinabi nilang, ay, ikaw ang pinakamagaling sa venipuncture, ikaw na lang lagi mag-venipuncture. Hindi mo na-try yung ibang tasks. Pero, pag internship, kailangan alam mo lahat. So, make sure sa activities, nag-iikot kayo ng tasks. So, I'm doing my last step sa skincare. For my moisturizer or serum, I don't know, this is Gluta-Hya Serum Burst Lotion by Vaseline. So, So this will be my moisturizer for the night. Last is my eye mask. This is Peter Thomas Ross Potency Power Brightening Hydrogel Eye Patches. This is the last step of my skincare. Thank you for watching. I hope it was informative sa mga gustong mag-SLE medtech dyan. So, good luck, future R&D.